Everyone, today I am cooking fried rice for my kid because they asked for it, and a lot of people didn't see my last video, so I am sharing with you. This is the Chinese sausage, but you can get this from Costco. This is my husband got it from Costco, and this is the one that it doesn't have a lot of fat. So I already cut. So it's coming like this in a pack, many in here. So I already cut two and half, and then I decide to share with you how to cut this. So basically you can just slide this. It depends on if you want it thick, you can slide it thicker than what I do, but I slide in this not too thick. I also use one big onion and I cut it like this. So later on I will share with you what to do with this. It's very basic. This is very lazy. So I make the fried rice for them, and when they ask for fried rice I'm like, oh my goodness, the best. So in the oven stove I have it like this with the medium is good. Don't turn it too high because you're gonna burn it. It's very easy to burn. So I just cooked the rice. A lot of people, when they make fried rice, they use old rice, like the rice leftover rice, and they put in the refrigerator and then they make fried rice. But I like the new rice like this. When you make fried rice, it tastes much better. I don't know, but for me, try the new rice and you can see the difference when you make old rice. Not old like old, but leftover rice. The leftover rice is less it dry, so that's why. Okay, so I have it in here that 4 cups of rice. The rice cooker, it's easy. So whatever rice I have, like if I cook 4 cups of rice, on the thing here it tell you how many water you put in here. So you put the rice, clean the rice, and then you, after you clean the rice, you add the water up to the 4, and that's how you add the water. And let me show you. This is the old rice, like leftover rice from yesterday. You see the difference between the two. I don't like it. I want my kid to have like this. I eat the way the way I like, and I want my kid to eat the same way. It's the way I cook. I don't add any cooking oil. Nothing. I'm just using this for the flavor. Okay, just spread it out like this. You see this? When you see it nice and clear like this, you can add the onion and continue to stir. So add the onion. With this onion at the same time, if you have any frozen veggie like corn or peas, you wait a little bit until the onion soft, a little bit soft, and then you can add the frozen veggie in here. But this is what my kid like. But if you like any other veggie you like to put in, wait a little bit until the onion a little soft, and then you put it in. So just like this. If you want to put the frozen veggie, put it in at this time and stir about a few minutes. Now I'm only use the onion for my kid, so I'm going to add 4 eggs. I only have one hand, everyone, so don't mind me. I left the tripod upstairs and I'm too lazy to go up and get it. I'm gonna stir this. A lot of people do the egg in the bowl and then mix it and then put it in here. You don't have to. That's why my channel is called Easy Cooking and Recipe. Because really you don't need to do too much. I'm about to name my channel Lazy Cooking and Recipe. So just do this until you see this turn into brownish. You can add more oil if you want to, but I try to limit the oil used, even though I use olive oil, but no, I don't want to because the sausage already have oil. Later on I put it in here together with the sauces. It will be fine. So keep breaking the egg, don't let it stay together. You try to separate. Don't do that to human. Don't try to separate people. Going to add the rest of the sausage and the onion earlier. Put it in, and then from here the oil from the sausage will be fine with the egg, and keep mixing them all together. When the egg turns brown, this is the best part. When it turns brown, it tastes, oh my goodness, delicious. Anyway, when it's like this, I'm gonna add the rice to this. So when the eggs turn brown, I add the rice to it. So I cook 4 cups of rice, and it come out like about estimate. So I add 3 teaspoons of mushroom seasoning. My spoon is very tiny, plus I only have one hand, so it's not really a spoonful, just little. And I add a 1/4 of a teaspoon of salt. And I only, for my cooking, for eating, I use making Europe soy sauce. And I'm going to add about 2 teaspoons in here, and it just, this the flavor is so delicious. So add it in here, and then after that you're gonna mix it really well, and then you taste it and see if you need to add more sauce, more soy sauce, whatever you need, but you need to mix it very well and taste it before you add the scallion and turn off the heat. At this time I still have the heat on, the oven is still on with medium low. That's it everyone, it's so delicious. I'm gonna put on the plate and to share with you how delicious it is. Very simple, everyone can follow, and everything that I use in my description box, and also it's very easy to find in any market. That's basically it, and I have some scallion I'm gonna just sprinkle in there. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Thank you all of you that been support my channel for the past however year. when the dinosaur still alive. And also thank you for support my main channel, the Wednesday channel. Love you. Stay safe. Take care, everyone.